would not believe what just happened. So our realtor just called us to explain that after our buyers had the inspection, they want to pay $10,000 less. Now, the problem with this is, I don't know if you've heard the story of the first set of buyers, but they bid $35,000 over asking price and then decided to pull out after the inspection. So that kind of leaves us thinking, looks like we're gonna get about $252,000 for the house. Now, let me take a second to breathe. What this means is that we're not quite going to have enough money to finish all of the house. And that sucks a lot. So I'm making this video to let you know that if you'd like to help with our finishing of the house, I have started channel memberships. Now, with your channel membership, it's only $2.99 a month, and you can just do it for 1 month just to help support me. With the channel membership, you will be able to do a live stream with me every Saturday at 10 a.m. Okay, and that live stream will go for 15 minutes, and if nobody joins it, then I'll just jump off of it. But if you choose to join the live stream by joining my channel, then I will do all kinds of things. I will answer questions for you. If you request a fashion show, I've got some really cute new jumpers that I'd like to show you. Actually, here's one. Hang on. How does it look? Yes. So you could be first to see my newest fashions that I have and my newest wigs. Pretty much anything you request on this live stream, unless it's not appropriate, which I hope you're watching my channel for the right reasons. Anything you request, I'm happy to answer or give you content on. So I have seen several questions in my comments about different projects, and some of you folks, I know I've said I'll make a video about it, and then I haven't quite made that video. So this is your time to get right in my face and say, Angie, show me right now. And I will show you right then and there. So this is just a quick update on the house. Looks like we're not going to get as much for this one as we thought, but we do want to move on with purchasing the Victorian home. It is our dream home, and we feel like if we purchase it, that the Lord will help us get through and get the money that we need to all the way, fix it up, bring it back to its original glory. Because we don't want to just half it, we want to do a great job. And that means it's going to cost a lot of money. The roofing alone is probably going to be about $30,000. So that's 1/3 of the original budget anyway. We already knew that though. The electrical is probably going to cost another $30,000. And with electrical comes ripping out of walls, and all of the walls are plaster. So we may be ripping out walls and replacing that with drywall, which is going to cost, who knows what, another $5,000 or so. Then we have a few plumbing issues with the Victorian. One of them is underground, so that's going to be another $1,000 or so. Plus, the entire house needs new windows. So besides that, there's paint for the inside. There's refinishing the inside floors, which is going to cost some money. There's painting the outside. There's getting the outside scraped because the actual siding on the outside isn't bad, so it just needs to be scraped of the loose paint and then repainted. There's a lot to do with that house. I'm sure you saw in the tour, but I know that I can do it, and I know especially with your help that I'll be able to follow through with all of my glorious plans for that awesome Victorian. So if this is your first time seeing me, hi, I'm Angie. Check out some of my videos and then decide if you want to join my channel or not and help support my current journey, which I will be sharing with everybody throughout this time. So I'm going to share with you the ups and downs of buying a house and selling a house, which is just, oh man, buying a house and selling a house is just one of the most stressful things I think I've ever been through. It's kind of crazy because you're like, okay, we're good, and then okay, we're bad, and then okay, we're good, and then okay, we're bad. And it's just quite the emotional roller coaster. But anyway, I'm going to be sharing with you when I redecorate areas, when I restain the stairs, or when I fix them up with some Old English. I might just try that before I try restaining everything. I'm going to show you the living room and dining room area and ask for your suggestions on paint colors and, you know, everything like that. I'm going to share that whole journey with you guys on YouTube. And all I ask is that you join the channel for $2.99 a month and at least join it for 1 month and see what you think. So that is all for now. If you choose not to join, it is totally fine. I'm still going to give you awesome content. So either way is great with me. If you have the funds, that'd be great. If you don't, then don't spend money that you don't have. Okay? I wouldn't want anybody to like go out of their way and spending money that they don't have. I will be setting up a GoFundMe as well. So if you're more interested in just like a one-time helper out or whatever, I'll put the link to the GoFundMe in this description. Other than that, I thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, fantastic day, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.